I've heard so many questions about global element repositories, right? So I hope I will convey the message, but please ask us the questions if I'm not clear. Now, you are familiar with the screens, separate screens. You have to come back to the mind map page. You have to create individual screens and then capture elements specific to that. And each screen has a parent test cases to it and all these things, right? There was no one stop where you can see an overview of all the elements captured in that project. And there was no one stop overview where you can see what are the elements which were reused and how many times it is reused, and what are the test cases which are reusing those elements. So we have come up with the element repository screen, a separate. We have kept it outside, so there's no confusion. All you have to do is you have to select the project from your left-hand side, and then all the screens which you have created as part of this project is displayed on one screen. You can simply expand it and view. You can also copy from one screen and paste it to different screen, and there is a R icon representing this element has been reused, is displayed. Okay, so you don't have to go to each screen, multiple clicks, everything is avoided now. All screens, all elements are represented in one screen, and you can simply do the copy paste, simply reuse the elements from here, and you can also capture the elements from here. Also prioritize or view the properties or change the properties of elements from the same screen. This is not it. Now you can create a repository here. Now imagine this is your new project and you have not created any screens yet, so this will be empty. You can simply add repository from here. All right, and in this repository you capture all possible elements which you will be requiring as part of this project. Now once you have captured all the elements, you can either copy paste to your respective screens here, or you can actually go inside the screen here. Imagining this screen is empty, this is a new project, and you have all your required elements captured in repository, which I created under the global element repository window. All you have to do is you simply select whatever screen you want to utilize. In this matter, I will choose fund transfer. You just notice there is two elements here. Now when I do fund transfer, it will say changing the screen will erase the current data, which means it is basically overwriting. Now you say yes. See, all the elements which was under the repository has come up here. So now you keep what elements you wanted, or you delete it, or you according to your need. You can just modify the screen. Okay. You can also add more elements here. Yep. You notice that the screen name is not changed. You're just copying the elements from the repository. so that you don't have to again and again open the captured element window again and again, capture elements and go back to mind map, come back. You don't want to do that, right? So you just capture everything in your repository and you make use of them here. And this is still in implementation phase, so you might not be seeing more of R icon and everything here, but so many other functionalities we are planning to get it here. Here also you will be able to see the reuse icon, and on clicking on that, wherever you have used whatever test cases which is making use of this elements will be listed. For you, it becomes very easy to track and maintain. Yeah, this was about the element repository.